She ate protein every day, but at 81, she couldn't stand up without help. Then she made one small change, and within weeks, she was gardening again. No gym, no pills, just one thing most seniors never do. If you're over 70 and losing strength, even though you're eating well, this next minute could change everything. Because the problem isn't how much protein you eat, it's when and how you eat it. And today, I'll show you the one simple habit that helped her and hundreds like her start building strength again, starting with just one meal.
Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating your protein, trying to stay active, but still you're getting weaker? Maybe you can't get up from a chair like you used to, or your arms feel heavy when you carry groceries, or you just don't have that energy anymore. You're not imagining it, and you're not alone. Thousands of older adults eat good food, try their best, but still lose strength. And the reason? There's one common mistake, a simple thing most people don't know that keeps your body from using protein the right way. And the good news? You can fix it, starting with just one meal. No gym, no special diet, no expensive shakes. Just a small change and your body can start building strength again. Let's talk about what that mistake is and how to make your protein work for you, not against you.
The mistake: eating protein while sitting still. Here's what happens as we get older. Our muscles don't respond to food like they used to. Think of it like a light switch that's stiff. You flip it, but sometimes the light doesn't come on. Protein is the switch, but after 70, your body needs a little help to turn it on. And most of us are missing that help. We eat eggs, yogurt, beans, or tofu. All good foods. But if we're sitting still when we eat, our muscles just don't hear the message. So the protein goes in, but very little muscle comes out. That's why some people eat well, but still feel weak. The fix: move a little before you eat. Here's the secret. Wake up your muscles before your meal. You don't need a workout. You don't need to sweat. Just a few simple moves, even in your pajamas. Try this. Stand up from your chair, sit back down. Do that just 5 times. Or lift your arms in front of you 10 times. Or march in place for 2 minutes. That's it. This little bit of movement gets the blood flowing to your muscles, like turning on the water before you wash your hands. Now when you eat, your body is ready to use the protein, much better than if you just sat there. One woman started doing this every morning. Just 5 chair stands, then her breakfast. In 2 weeks, she said, "I didn't think I could get up without using my hands. Now I can." Small effort, big result.
Make it even better. Add a little goust to your meal. Now here's how to make your meal work even better. You don't need to change everything. Just add one small thing to your usual food. Something that gives your body the signal it's time to build muscle. Here are a few easy ideas. If you eat oatmeal, sprinkle in a spoon of pumpkin seeds or hemp seeds. They're soft, nutty, and full of what your body loves. If you have yogurt, add a few crushed walnuts or a spoon of almond or peanut butter. It makes it creamier and more powerful. If you like smoothies, blend in a scoop of plant-based protein powder or even some cooked oats or lentils. You won't taste them, but your muscles will feel the difference. If you eat toast or eggs, try adding mashed beans or hummus on the side. More protein, more support. These little boosts don't change your meal. They just make it work better. And the best part? You don't need to buy anything special. Most of these are already in your kitchen or cost less than $1. Make it a daily habit. You don't need to do this perfectly. Just start with one meal a day. maybe breakfast or lunch. Move a little first, stand up and sit down, stretch your arms, walk in place, eat your meal, and add one small boost. Do it again tomorrow. That's the whole plan. No stress, no confusion, just a small daily rhythm that helps your body remember how to stay strong. One man told me, "I used to need my wife's hand to get up. Now I do it on my own. I didn't think that would ever come back." And he didn't do anything extreme. He just started moving a little before eating and added seeds to his morning oats. Besides movement and small boosts, there are a few other quiet helpers. Don't skip meals. Try not to go more than 3 to 4 hours without eating something with protein. Your muscles need steady support. Eat colorful foods, berries, carrots, spinach. They help reduce soreness and keep your body ready to grow. Drink enough water. Protein works better when you're hydrated. Keep a glass nearby. Get a little sunshine. It helps your body use vitamin D, which plays a quiet but important role in strength. None of this has to be perfect, just consistent. Let me tell you about Mary. She's 81, lived alone, loved her garden, but hadn't been able to kneel down to plant flowers in years. She ate well, eggs, toast, yogurt, but she was losing strength. Then she tried this simple plan. Every morning, before breakfast, she did 5 chair stands, 10 arm lifts, then she had her oatmeal, but added a spoon of hemp seeds, a sprinkle of cinnamon, some blueberries. That's it. After 3 weeks, she said, "I stood up without grabbing the counter. I didn't even think about it. I just did it." And 2 months later, she was back in her garden planting flowers on her knees. No special program, no pills, just small, doable steps every single day. You might feel like your strongest days are behind you, but here's the truth. Your body hasn't given up. It's just waiting for the right signal. And that signal isn't more food. It isn't harder exercise. It's small, smart choices made regularly. Move a little before eating. Add a boost to your meal. Stay consistent. That's how strength comes back. Not in a rush, but in steps, in confidence, in freedom. So start today. Pick one meal. Do one little movement. Add one helpful food. And let your body surprise you. Because it's not too late. It's never too late. Your next chapter doesn't have to be about slowing down. It can be about standing taller, walking stronger, living freer. And it can start with your very next meal. Your body is still ready. You just have to give it a chance.